Integration asks to find the length of the curve which y equal to ln cos x from x equal to 0 to x equal to pi over 3. So the equation is y equal to ln cos x. As we know, to find the length of the curve, the formula is integration from a to b square root of 1 plus the differentiation of y squared dx. So in this case, the limit is from 0 to pi over 3. So what we need to do is the differentiation of y. So the differentiation of y, when we differentiate ln cos x, it will become 1 over cos x. And we differentiate in the bracket, cos x will become negative sin x. So as we can see here, sine over cos is equal to tangent. So here is the negative sign. So it will result negative tangent x. So we square the differentiation of y, it will become tangent squared x. So next we just substitute to the formula. The integration from 0 to pi over 3, square root of 1 plus the differentiation here, we get tangent squared x dx. So as we know, 1 plus tangent squared x is equal to secant squared x. So we just substitute into secant squared x. So here we can see the square root and squared we can cancel out and it will become just secant x. So now we have to integrate the secant x. So when we integrate the secant x, we will get ln secant x plus tangent x plus c. But here with limit of from 0 to pi over 3. So we just substitute the limit pi over 3 into this equation. And we will get secant pi over 3 plus tangent pi over 3 minus ln secant 0 plus tangent 0. And when we calculate this, we will get 2 plus square root 3. And then when we calculate this, we will get 1 plus 0. And then when we calculate all of this, we will get ln 2 plus 3, which is the final answer.
Today we're going to find the uplength for the equation 9x squared equals to 16y cubed from y equals to 3 to y equals to 6 and x must be greater than 0. So we have to isolate the x. So 9x squared equal to 16y cubed, and let the x be the title. So x squared equal to 16y cubed over 9, x equal to square root 16y cubed over 9. So plus minus, and x is equal to plus minus 4y 3 over 2 over 3. Okay, so since x is equal to 0, greater than 0, so x, we take x as a positive side, so x is equal to 4y 3 over 2 over 3. We have to differentiate the x, and we write as x prime equal to, we brought 3 over 2 to the front, so 3 over 2 and 4 over 3 y 3 over 2 minus 1, and we subtract all, and we got x prime is 2y 1 over 2. Since we have to use formula of x prime square, so the square of differentiation of x is, and the whole thing would be squared, will be equal to 4y. We have to find the uplength, so L is equal to integrate square root x prime squared dy. Okay, so we have from y equal to 3 to y equal to 6, so from 3 to 6 here. So we have to substitute the value, so L equal to 3 to 6, 1 plus x prime squared for y dy. So basically we will start here, so we have to make substitution method. So firstly we have to let 1 plus 4y equal to u. So the expression of L will become L equal to 3, 6, third, u dy. Since we have two unknown and we don't know what the value of dy, so we have to substitute dy. So since u equal to 1 plus 4y, so u equal to 1 plus 4y du per dy, we derive it and the value will become 4. So we got the value of dy. So L equal to 3 u. We substitute the dy and we got du over 4. And now we have to integrate it. So we have to bring 1 over 4 to the front, and we got L 1 over 4, 3, 6, so u dot du. Now we have L equal to 1 over 4, 3, 6, u 1 over 2 dot du. Okay, so now we wrote it again, 1 over 4. We integrate it, so what we got is 1 over 4, 2 over 3, u 3 over 2, since we plus 1, and integral from 3 to 6. And we cancel off each other and we got 1 over 6 in the bracket of u, 3 over 2, 3, 6. Now we have to substitute the value of u into 1 plus 4y. L equal to 1 over 6. We substitute the value of u, 1 plus 4y, 3 over 2, from 3 to 6. And now L equal to 1 over 6, 1 plus 4. Okay, we substitute the y, so 6 over 2. Sorry. And we have to minus 1 plus 4. Substitute y to value of 3. Our power of 3 over 2. And we made the calculation, and the answer we will get is 13.021 unit. So the length of the arc is 13.021 units.